Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan offers a course. Lecture 8, Install Anaconda in Windows, and I am your instructor, Samavi Salman. Let's begin with the chapter outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present a quick recap. After that, I will present steps for installing Anaconda on Windows. Let's start with the quick recap. In the previous lecture, I presented number 1, how to search and access the official website of Anaconda using Google Chrome. Number 2, how to download the latest version of Anaconda setup file from its official website. Number 3, how to verify that Anaconda setup file was successfully downloaded. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install the latest version of Anaconda in Windows operating system. There are some prerequisites need to be considered before starting the installation process, that are operating system Windows 8.1 Pro, software Python, the version of Python 3.10.5, and download date, that is 14th September 2022. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to install Anaconda in Windows. Number 1, locate Anaconda setup file. Number 2, run the installation wizard. Number 3, verify the installation of Anaconda. Let's follow the steps and install Anaconda practically. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to install Anaconda in Windows. Step number 1, locate Anaconda setup file. If we recall in the previous lecture, that is lecture 7, download Anaconda for Windows, I downloaded and saved the Anaconda setup file in the downloads folder. Therefore, to access the setup file, I will first go to desktop screen by using Windows D key, or you can directly go to the downloads folder by clicking on the file explorer. Let's maximize the window. From the left panel, click on downloads. Here you can see the Anaconda setup file. Alhamdulillah, I have successfully located the Anaconda setup file. Now let's move to the step 3. In this step, inshallah, I will run the installation wizard to install Anaconda in Windows. For that purpose, right click on exe file, click on run as administrator. The setup initializer is loading. Here we are on the first screen of the installation wizard. Click on the next button. This is the license agreement. Read them if you like. Otherwise, click on I agree. All users radio button is selected. Please select just me. That is also recommended. And click on next button. You can choose the default location. But in my case, I'll be going to a different drive. That is a customized path. Click on browse. I will be creating a new folder in the drive. Create a folder that is Anaconda and click on OK. The path has been changed. Now click on next. Register Anaconda as my default Python 3.9. This will allow other programs such as Python tools for Visual Studio, PyCharm, Wing IDE, PyDev and MSI binary package to automatically detect Anaconda as the primary Python 3.9 on the system. Check this checkbox and click on Install. The installation of Anaconda has been started. Let's wait till the installation process completes. Alhamdulillah, the installation of Anaconda has been completed. Click on next. Again click on next. These checkboxes shows that Anaconda distribution tutorials and getting started with Anaconda file will be opened in your web browser when you click on finish. So let's go for it. Click on finish. Let's maximize this window, and here you can see the installation has been successful. Welcome to Anaconda. This link will give you the lectures or a quick guidance about Anaconda and Anaconda Navigator, as well as Conda with cheat sheets, etc. This is useful for getting information about Anaconda and what is Conda and how we can use Jupyter. Let me close this. Now it's time to move on to the third step, that is verify the installation of Anaconda on my computer. For that purpose, I will be clicking on Start. Click on Search and search for Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see that the Anaconda Navigator is visible in the suggestions. Let me click on this to open. It has been verified that Anaconda has been successfully installed on my system. The Anaconda Navigator started initializing. Let's wait till the initialization process completes. This is the Anaconda Navigator window. From all these features that are shown here, let me scroll the page a bit. Here are the different IDEs or features of Anaconda Navigator, but the one we need to discuss about is Jupyter Notebook. Click on Launch As with Python, we will be using Jupyter Notebook for executing Python programs. For that purpose, I clicked on Launch to launch the Jupyter Notebook. Let's see what will happen next. 6.4.8 is the version of Jupyter Notebook which we are going to launch. Here you can see that the Jupyter Notebook homepage starts loading. Let me maximize the window first. Here you can see all the folders are visible here. The scope of this lecture is till the installation of Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Let's move back to the slides. Let's summarize the lecture. In this lecture, I presented how to locate Anaconda setup file on your computer, how to run the installation wizard to install Anaconda, and finally, how to verify that Anaconda was installed. In the next lecture, Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will present how to execute your first Python program using Anaconda in Jupyter Notebook. Abdullah bin Masud narrated that Allah's Messenger Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The person closest to me on the day of judgment is the one who sent the most salat, that is, Durood Sharif, upon me." Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam, both in this world and hereafter. Ameen.